In this lecture, I want to create a purple color swatch. But first, I want to get the same default color palette that InDesign has when I create a new document. At this moment, I have no color set loaded, so I only see black and white. In InDesign, we have cyan, magenta, yellow, green, blue, red, and black. To get the same colors in Scribus by default, make sure no document is open. Then go to Edit, Colors and Fills. Click below, Current Color Set. Choose Scribus Small. We now have the same colors as in InDesign. I click on OK. I create a new document. Each new document will now start with these basic colors. Now let's create a new color. To do this, I go to Edit, Colors and Fills. I click on Add. I name the color Grid Line. For this color I choose RGB. To pick a color, you can drag in the color field. You can also drag the sliders. I will give in the specific values of this color: 255, 79, and 252. I click on OK. We can see the new color is added. I click on OK. In the next lecture, we will make use of this new color swatch.